Hello guys, welcome to Web Tutorials channel. In this video, we will be looking at how to install Node.js on a Windows machine. Node.js is a cross-platform open source server-side JavaScript runtime environment. It helps us to run JavaScript outside of a web browser. Node.js is built based on the JavaScript V8 engine. So let's start with the installation process. Okay, so first of all, open your web browser. I am using Chrome here. Search Node.js here. Click on this link nodejs.org. Open the site. Now, as you can see, two versions are listed here. Node.js LTS version, which is 22.11, and also below that we can see another version 23.1, which is the current and greatest version. But we will be installing Node.js LTS version as it will have longer support, that is v28. Okay, so click on download LTS, Node.js LTS. The download has been started, so we can wait for the download to be completed. So the download is completed. Open the installer file, which is in the downloads folder. Double click on the installer. The installer is started. The setup wizard has been started. Click on next. You can read the license agreement, accept the terms, click on next. You can choose the path in which Node.js is to be installed. By default it goes into the program files C drive. Unless you have a reason for changing the drive, you can leave this as it is. I am using same path. Click next. Here are the list of things that is going to be installed, which is Node.js. Includes also it includes NPM package manager, which comes along with the Node.js. It is also required. Also the option selected to add to path, that means Node.js is able to be called from anywhere from the command line, so it will add to the path. Okay, click next. Tools for native modules, we can select it. Also it will install Chocolatey, which will be helpful to install some development tools on the Windows machine. So it is fine to select it. Okay, next. Now install. The installation has been started. We can wait. Okay, click yes, so that app is allowed to make changes. Okay, the setup has been completed. Okay, click finish. Yes, this window appears because we have selected to install additional tools. Press any key. I'm pressing enter. Press any key. Yes. The additional tools are being downloaded, so we can minimize this. So the basic tools will have been installed, so we can check the installation of Node.js. click on type node minus minus version. Yeah, it is storing version 22.11 as we have selected. Also by this time npm node package manager will also be installed, so checking its version npm minus minus version, click. Yes, npm version is 10.9, so everything is fine. Node.js has been installed as well as npm is installed. These are the additional tools including Chocolatey that are installed. You can check this. You can wait this to be completed. And yes, the additional tools installation has been completed. You can check, there is a long list of them. Now you can close the window, and that's it. The installation of Node.js, NPM and additional development tools has been completed. Thank you for watching the video.